ఓం శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం. ఓం శ్రీ కృష్ణాయ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. దశకం 33, శ్లోక 5. రాజ్ఞాథ పారణముహూర్త సమాప్తిఖేదాద్ వారైవ పారణమకారి భవత్పరేణ ప్రాప్తో మునిస్తదథ దివ్యదృశా విజానన్ క్షిప్యన్ క్రుధోద్ధృతజటో వితతాన కృత్యాం. Word by word meaning. Atha, then, bhavat parena rajna, by the king who was devoted to thee. Parana muhurta samapti khedat, out of his anxiety that the auspicious time for partaking of food after the fast would pass. Vara eva, with water alone. Paranam akari, the breaking of the fast was done. Atha praptaha munihi, the sage who arrived thereafter. Tat divya drisha vijanan, knowing it by his divine insight. Kshipyan, rebuking the king. Kruda, in great wrath. Uddhrita jataha, plucking out his matted hair. Krityam, an evil spirit named Kritya. Vitatana, created. Full meaning. Then the king, who was a great devotee of thine, out of anxiety that the auspicious hour for the breaking of the fast would pass, broke his fast by just sipping some water. The sage, who then arrived, on coming to know by his divine insight what had happened, flew into a rage, and after rebuking the king for having taken food before him, plucked out his matted hair and created an evil spirit known as Kritya to destroy the king. Om Tat Sat.